Introducing the wall-mounted soap dispenser, a sleek and practical addition to your bathroom or kitchen that elevates hygiene while optimizing space. This isn't just any soap dispenser. It's a modern and efficient design crafted to keep your hands clean without sacrificing style. Say goodbye to cluttered countertops and hello to the wall-mounted soap dispenser, because your hygiene routine should be as seamless as it is sanitary. This soap dispenser isn't just a hygiene accessory, it's a space-saving virtuoso. With its wall-mounted design, it liberates valuable counter space, leaving your bathroom or kitchen looking organized and uncluttered. No more dealing with soap spills or juggling slippery bars. The wall-mounted soap dispenser is here to streamline your hand-washing experience. It's not just a dispenser, it's a hygiene station space saver. But let's talk about practicality. This isn't just any soap accessory, it's a convenience champion. Its easy-to-use design allows for a quick and mess-free dispensing of liquid soap, ensuring a hygienic hand-washing experience. The wall-mounted soap dispenser is not just about dispensing soap, it's about maximizing efficiency in your daily hygiene routine. It's not just a dispenser, it's a practical hygiene wizard. And installation? Effortless. No need to summon the spirits of handymen past or decipher complicated instructions. The wall-mounted soap dispenser comes with user-friendly installation, ensuring that you can enjoy the benefits of a tidy and efficient hand-washing area without the headache of setup. It's like having a personal hygiene assistant, discreet, efficient, and always ready when you need it. But wait, there's more. This soap dispenser isn't just about practicality, it's about style. With its sleek and modern design, the wall-mounted soap dispenser adds a touch of sophistication to your bathroom or kitchen decor. It's not just a dispenser, it's a statement piece that enhances the visual appeal of your space. Picture this. You effortlessly pressing the wall-mounted soap dispenser for a dollop of liquid soap, creating a tidy and organized hand-washing space. It's not just about hygiene, it's about turning your bathroom or kitchen into a functional and visually pleasing zone. Your hand-washing area is not just a necessity, it's a well-designed haven equipped with the wall-mounted soap dispenser. That is it for today, guys. Remember to leave a like and subscribe for more great content.